Hey guys, welcome, welcome, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to my and sentence and Luigi and Luigi's and summits. Alright guys, so we have a King DDD versus Evie. Alright, so now we're gonna be here, the Pokemon trainers, and then we're going to buy Pokemon trainers, and let's go here with Sportle, Charizard, and Ivysaur. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be here. And today we're gonna buy paper this. Alright guys, so where is it? Alright guys, I'm sorry, but I don't have any paper roll. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be here. Let's go by live. We're just gonna live chat. Okay, we're gonna live stream and then my second and the stream chats. And then we're going to buy Pokemon trainers. And where's this Yogo? Where is he? Go to my table. Oops! Sorry guys. Alright guys, so we have at a PlayStation store. We have a $50 a month. Alright guys, so we have it. I'm gonna go in my restroom. I'll be right back. I need to go pee. I'm sorry guys. He's going by wash my hands and then this. Okay, so we haven't to buy tables. So we have the tables over there. So if you let's see if we get started. Okay. There's one here. Says wait. Another in Super Smash Brothers. Wait. Wait, a Super Smash Brothers? Look. There's Super Smash Brothers Ultimate. I think it's Super Smash Brothers. Okay, let's close it. Let's close it. Come on. Okay, guys. So we are in these tables. All right. So if you have it, there's controllers, and let's see if you can beat controllers right there. We're gonna put on the tables, and then we're gonna buy Pokemon. All right. Let's see in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my goodness. So get ready to get started. Alright, so wait, he's gonna buy blue. Blue. Is it white? That's white. Alright guys, so we have it. So anytime and anywhere. What is I think it is Alright guys, so we have the tablets. Alright. So So we're gonna be on my tablet. It's gonna be in the computer. Just turn on. Look, it's working. Alright, guys. So you know my charger. I need my charger. Where's my charger anyway? Alright, there you go. Alright, guys. So when you have the charger, then alright, we're gonna buy batteries. Okay, guys. So we have to wait. Okay. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna be switch. Then the controls on there's the controllers. Okay, so it's gonna be into the speakers over there. Alright, so now we're gonna be here in this lift. Okay, let's see if you get started. Anyway. Oh. Alright, guys. So we have there's papers, and papers, and then papers. Alright, guys. So it's 2 times. You're gonna be careful after. Alrighty then. Alright, guys. So if you have a sentence and so it is a switch. Alright, guys. So if you haven't, okay, guys. So Evie versus and versus cat. Evie and versus cat. Alright, guys. So let's see if we call Pokemon and let's go to some Evie versus cats. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna be. Let's see it get started in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, guys. So if you haven't yet, this 2 times. And this is gonna be over. I have to get started. So we have a gift card, and then we're gonna get started. All right, guys. So we have a this is Evie's. Ready to put a Pokemon in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see if we get started. 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, so Evie versus cats. Alright, guys, so let's get started in 3, 2, 1, go. First, if you have it, Evie versus cats. 3, 2, 1, go. Fights! Okay, you're gonna be started. 3, 2, 1, get started. Yeah. Alright, guys, so let's see Evie versus cats. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Cat, it's ended. Alright, guys, so round 2, fight! Evie has ended. Alright, guys, final round and fight! Cat has ended. Finish him! Okay, guys, so Evie wins. Alright, guys, Evie wins and Cat. Okay, so I'm gonna go check. Alright, let's get some erasers. Where is it? Let me go check. Alright, guys. So now it's gonna be winner is Evie wins. Alright, guys. So now thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. To see you guys later. Bye.